Ready to unlock the full potential of your automation workflows by hosting N8n on the rock-solid infrastructure of Google Cloud. First, you'll need a Google Cloud Platform account if you don't already have one. Head over to cloudgoogle.com and sign up for a free trial once you're in. Create a new project while you're at this. We'll keep your N8n instance neatly separated. Next, navigate to Compute Engine and create a new VM instance. Choose a machine type that suits your needs. While you're something like a need to medium is a good starting point. Select a region close to your users for optimal performance. When configuring your VM, pick a suitable operating system like Debian or Ubuntu. Remember to allow HTTP and HTTPS traffic in the firewall settings so you can access your N8n instance from the web. Once the VM is up and running, connect to it via SSH. You can use the built-in SSH client in the Google Cloud Console or your favorite terminal application. Now, it's time to install Docker and Docker Compose on your VM. These tools will make it incredibly easy to deploy and manage N8n. Follow the official Docker installation guides for your chosen operating system. Next, create a Docker composable file with the necessary configurations for your N8n instance. This file will define the N8n service and any required environment variables, such as the database connection details. With your Docker composable file in place, simply run docker compose upd to start your N8n instance in detached mode. This will pull the N8n image from Docker Hub and start the container. Finally, open your web browser and navigate to the external IP address of your VM instance, followed by port 5678. You should now see the N8n Web Interface, ready for you to start building amazing automation workflows. Now you have N8n up and running on Google Cloud. Don't forget to subscribe for more N8n tutorials.